Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how to do density of a liquid. So first thing, if there's goggles there, you've got to wear the goggles. So you put those on and turn on your balance. Remember that our density formula is D equals mass divided by volume. Looks like a heart. It's called the love equation. Okay, so first we gotta find our mass. The way you find the mass of a liquid, because you can't just pour your liquid on the balance, you have to put it in a container. So you're gonna have to find the mass of the empty container first. So you just place it on the balance and you write that down. So this container is 13.6 grams. Okay. Now because density is a unit rate, it's a ratio of mass to volume, it does not matter how much liquid you use. So notice I don't have very much liquid in here anyways. Then you'll just pour it into your graduated cylinder and put it back on the balance. So now it reads 19.9 grams. Okay, with these two numbers, what we have to do is subtract them, because right now what the balance is reading is the mass of the liquid and the container, but we want the mass of just the liquid. So we have to subtract the mass of the empty container to get the mass of just the liquid. So we'll do that. And we get 6.3 grams. And double check it on your calculator. 19.9 minus 13.6. Good, 6.3 grams. Okay. We also need the volume. And the way we read volume of a liquid is, again, you just get down eye level and look at the meniscus. The meniscus is the little curve in the liquid. You've got to read from the bottom of the meniscus. So this one is at 6.25 milliliters. And I'll show you. Okay. This graduated cylinder is measuring by halves. So here's the 5 line. Oh, sorry, that's 7.25. Ooh, see, good thing I double checked. Every other line is a whole number on the graduated cylinder. And you can see the bottom of the meniscus is hitting right below the 7.5, but right above the 7. So we'll say 7.25. And that's all you have to do to read volume of a liquid. So we'll just plug these numbers into our density formula. And divide them. And we get 0.8 rounded up to 7 grams per milliliter as our density. Okay, so remember, first we had to find the mass of the empty graduated cylinder. Then the mass of the cylinder with the liquid in it. We then read the volume, looking at the bottom of the meniscus, and then plugged our numbers into our formula. Divided our mass by our volume to get our density. These are our density units. Okay, hopefully hopefully this helps you do better on your quizzes.